An invisible cyber breach is looming. We've got to uncover these digital footprints before attackers strike.
Look at this clue pinned to our deduction board. What strategy uses AI to research your confidential subjects?
Our deduction? Preemptive information leakage detection. We're literally self-hacking to expose our own vulnerabilities first.
It's a brilliant double edge. The exact AI tools adversaries weaponize actually become our strongest defensive magnifying glass.
The motive is totally clear. Attackers strike during runtime or weaponize training data to extract your secrets.
Contrast their malicious prompt exploitation with our proactive, unrelenting defensive oversight. We have to beat them to it.
Target identified. AI systems handling customer interactions or proprietary data. Those are ground zero for inadvertent leaks.
Our forensic timeline is super precise. Interrogate the AI for internal secrets, identify exposures, and secure them fast.
Your final barricade is strict data governance. Enforce labeling, expire permissions, encrypt data, and halt over-permissioning completely.
By locking down these inadvertently discovered leaks, we systematically dismantle the adversary's ability to weaponize our AI.
So, the concluding deduction? Hack yourself first. Preemptively secure proprietary information before they even find the door.
Now that you've enjoyed this Cyber Tips explainer to understand the cyber world around us, go on a watch marathon
Of our playlists to become a cybersecurity expert. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this explainer with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.